Hey everyone, Andre here at Packserv. Today we're going to take a little bit of an in-depth focus on the Packserv Accumulation Table, or our PAT-8. Essentially, we'll put this at the end of any of our production lines. What it does is it allows all of our containers to build up, and it virtually just saves having to have someone at the end of the conveyor plucking containers off once production's been finished. The standard size for this is a 1200 millimeter. We also do these in 15 and 1800 millimeters. And we also do them in small sizes. If you want a unusual size, just call up one of the sales team to find out. So in essence, we have a HDPE tabletop. This machine has an inbuilt torque limiter, so if anything gets stuck in here, the tabletop will actually stop spinning. It's fairly basic, on off. It can go either direction, forward or reverse. If you do reverse it, we just have this wedge here. Essentially all it's doing is just pushing all the containers towards the center. 2 screws on the back, and then we can mount this over here instead. And you can just see I've got these couple of screw holes here. We use our standard VSD to operate and run this machine. Fairly simple. All we'll ever do is just put this in line at the end of one of our conveyors, or in this situation, our takeoff transfer belts. At the end of our conveyors, it can go in line or front mount or back mount, same as our sorting tables. With our transfer belts will always be in line set up like this. All I'll ever do is make some adjustments using this Allen key bolt head here. I've got these 4 little mounting blocks around the table, and all that does is allow me to lower or raise just this guide rail edge here. Obviously I've got a really small container. I don't want it to be able to fall out here, so I can bring this all the way down. And then if I've got a bigger container, I can bring it up just so it's a little more stable. So this is pressing more against the center of the container. For this particular container, probably a little bit higher, but when I've got those bigger containers, it's better to have something here. We can use these for a square, round, rectangular, whatever shape or size you want. This will do it all. That's a quick wrap up of the Packserv Accumulation Table. Thanks.